we are tax collectors, but we also give blood for the country, and that's why we thought that this should be the most auspicious beginning for our 75th independence or 76th independence day celebrations.
Donate blood, save a life, and be a superhero. So I appeal to everyone to come out and donate blood.
And this is one of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, one of the initiatives for us. There are many other initiatives, but I think thanks to the department from the income tax that they are joining hands with us for this initiative.
Saying when something very nice happens, there is nothing to say. One must participate, and that's why I'm here. Great.
There cannot be anything better than donation of the blood, because it can save life. It is not going to harm you in any way. So it is the best thing what you can do, and you can repeat it maybe once in 3 months.
Yes.
We have separate our IFRS machine also, which can separate out WBC, RBCs, and depending on whatever you want, and you can put back the rest of the blood. So you can donate it more frequently also. So that also can be given, and it's very useful for our cancer patients and dengue and other things where platelets go down very drastically, and we can save the patients in such type of apheresis machine also.
And this blood bank over your facility here is fantastic. You've got all the infrastructure ready, so it is very convenient to come here and donate your blood. I would urge maximum people to follow this initiative, and we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and I think there is no better way of kicking it off.
We would highly encourage, and we would like more participation, and we would request more people as well to come and donate for future camps.